The story begins on that most joyful day.
On that joyful day, on that joyful day. Joyfully now to our princess we come, bringing gifts and all good wishes too. We pledge our loyalty anew. Hail to the Princess Aurora. All of her subjects adore her. Hail to the King, hail to the Queen, hail to the Princess Aurora. Health to the princess, wealth to the princess, long live the Princess Aurora. Hail Aurora, hail Aurora. Health to the princess, wealth to the princess, long live the Princess Aurora. Hail to the King, hail to the Queen, hail to the Princess Aurora.
Thus, on this great and joyous day did all the kingdom celebrate the long-awaited royal birth. And good King Stephen and his queen made welcome their lifelong friend.
Their Royal Highnesses, King Hubert and Prince Philip.
Fondly had these monarchs dreamed one day their kingdoms to unite. Thus today would they announce that Philip, Hubert's son and heir, to Stephen's child would be betrothed. And so to her his gift he brought, and looked unknowing on his future bride.